Yes,
Your
Mr.
Lordship.
Mr. Sharma, that matters of yours, that pension matter, that PF matter. What was the case number? Can you just give it to? Etu runway loisil niki? Fine hoa nai niki? A runway loisil tai bemar hoye ase nohoi. File tu kot ase, taik tar ase na yete ase. That I dictated, but the steno fell ill. She is not here. Today morning, I remembered I did not see that order for signing. What had happened?
I'll give the case.
Just give the number and did it. Yes.
Your Lordship, I apologize to mention item number 2. The whole matter.
Hmm.
Can it be any date after 15th August, sir?
On the prayer of Mr. R. Sharma, learned counsel for the petitioner, comma, for an adjournment in the matter not objected to by the learned counsel for the respondents, comma, registry to list this matter again on. Let us have it on 26th.
Oblige, Your Lordship.
Item number 52 and 53.
Date the naam to 53, huh?
52 and 53. The order has been complied with, madam.
The contractual dues has been paid. Where is the petitioner?
I am the petitioner.
You are a petitioner. Oh, for a change. Mr. S. Vora, learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that the directions passed by this court, comma, violation of which is alleged in the above noted contempt petitions, have since been complied with by the respondents. Accordingly, he submits that the present contempt petition be closed. In view of the above submission made by the learned counsel for the petitioner, comma, the present contempt petition stands closed. Notices issued stand recalled.
Both the cases, madam.
But 52, 53. Yes, Mr. Upadhyay.
Mention item number 30.
Okay, but this was done in 1972 and you were sitting over the matter. What is the process thereafter? If there is an annulment, what is the process?
Sir, madam, the case is filed for settlement of the land.
Okay.
30.
Your land was, you had an annual patta that was converted into Sarkari land. That was in 1972. 72.
64.
You bought it in 64, but this conversion took place in 1972. Now you claim that you are in possession thereafter also.
The government issued a notice for
Eviction.
22, 20 in.
That is.
At the time my father was alive, he approached the authority.
Effective.
Thereafter,
Now you are claiming resettlement. Mr. Item number 30, P. Upadhyay, 2 weeks for filing affidavit in reply. Huh? Okay, done.
Recently, we are
Re-end?
For the petitioner.
But both matters are different. One is for that 25% production and it says for name change. Okay. Mr. S.S. Roy submits that he has been newly engaged in the matter and accordingly prays that he be granted 2 weeks' time to make his submissions. Also, prayer is not objected to by the learned counsel for the respondents. Registry to list this matter after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by. Okay, done.
I pray for listing of an interlocutory application for early hearing, Lordship. Interlocutory application for early hearing.
Senior. Aji Muttar Nigi. Bench 4 matter. Okay, have it next week any date.
Next.
Week any date. Next week or keep it. That is the prayer you were making for the last 2 dates, I suppose. On the prayer of Mr. H. Alia, learned H. Alia, personal inconvenience, 2 weeks.
Right, your lordship.
Hmm. Hmm. Why they have not filed their affidavit till now?
Yes.
Huh? So let it reach. We'll ask them why they are not filing their affidavit.
Yeah, please, your lordship. The concern of the other side, I beg to mention item number 7, 8, and 9, your lordship. Kindly the matter may be taken.
Prayer made on behalf of Ms. ML N. Havelia on the ground that she is indisposed. Huh? Registered to list these matters again after.
But case, my lord, the circuit under challenge.
He is already set aside. 5/9/2017. Thursday ko idea.
After 15th of August.
Why? Not auspicious before that. Okay.
Covered that.
No, she is indisposed. There was this one also. Let it be on 19th.
Deeply obliged, your lordship.
Also from the respondent, my lord.
Hmm. He had made. A prayer is made on behalf of Mr. KP Patak Leonard, Senior Commandant, Senior Counsel for an appearing for the petitioner. A petitioner? No. You are for the petitioner. Mr. KP Patak is leading you. You me for the respondents. For an adjournment on the ground that he is indisposed. Prayer not being objected to by the Learned Council for the respondents. Matter stands adjourned. Registry to list this matter after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by. 2 weeks. 2 weeks, no, 3 weeks, ko idea. 3 weeks.
Item, there is a.
Where?
Item.
Interim order to continue till the next date, item 22. Huh?
7.
Okay. Ms. R. Bora for the petitioner is present. Item number 47. Huh? Yes, Mr. Bora.
Lordship, with the consent of the other side, I beg to mention item 14, Lordship. After
1
2 weeks-
4.
Yes, Lordship.
Wait.
Personal difficulty on the part of my senior.
Okay, you have personal difficulty. Don't be here. We want to know what is the stage of the investigation of the matter. That much information we can take.
May I please, your lordship?
30. You are for? You have been granted enough time. The records were directed to be produced. No time. Only question whether the show cause has been served or not. That issue you take such a long time. When the matter calls up, when the matter is called up, be here with the records.
I beg to mention for listing on the petition, matter relating to the bench for my lord. Can it be on Monday, my lord?
Monday would be difficult. What is the matter?
Matter relating to the settlement of Parghat mill.
Parghat, Budbar. Wednesday. Monday may be difficult. Wednesday.
Possible.
1 4. It is already mentioned and rejected. Let the matter be called up. 57.
Compliance, your lordship.
What has happened?
SPCA matter was compliance, your lordship.
Order complied with.
Lordship.
Yes, same. Huh? Complied with. Naam to le lo. Your name, madam?
Adopt.
R. Dotto, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. And R. Borpujari, Learned Counsel for the respondent number 1.
Apology, I am of Miss M. Burma. In the concern of the others. 59, contempt order of matters, my lord. In this case, affidavit has been filed. Only requirement is money is ready. The petitioner was asked to submit the agreement as well as the NOC of the other co-partner. Agreement of deed, but that has
Okay, when let the petitioner come, we'll ask them. You are for the petitioner.
Yes, your lordship.
Why have you not given it?
Lordship, sometime.
You are for the respondent. Huh?
Lordship for taking inst.
Why? Why? This is a matter of 25. New matter.
What has happened, Lordship?
File to some.
In the due interval of time, Lordship, petitioners were going to the department, submitting the relevant documents, but they were not taking any action, Lordship.
Please see the my lord page number.
Okay. That. You are for the deputy commissioner. And the assessment has been made. The amount ready to pay.
Is sub-
Huh?
Only NOC is to be submitted by us.
Then why are you not supplying it? What is the contempt now? Let the matter reach. We'll close it today. You take your instructions now.
Okay.
Come back when the matter is called up.
Yeah, please, Lord. This is therefore listing of a newly filed tender matter. Last, the date of submission of the tender, 8th of August. The RDO order that has
Tender issued by
by the Deputy Commissioner.
pertaining to fishery. So earlier there was a tender process. What happened to that?
They have cancelled the earlier tender.
Was it taken to its logical conclusion?
No, Lordship, no reason has been given to it.
No. But at what stage it was? What stage it was pending when it was cancelled?
After, before the last date of submission, everybody has submitted their bid,
What prejudice is caused? It's
but
the bids were not opened.
bids were opened, Your Lordship. We were the third bidder, and the first and second bidder had some defects with their documentations. Thereafter, they have cancelled the entire bid without giving any reason for the fresh tender,
And when is the last date for the first tender?
the 8th of August.
When was it issued?
Was issued on 6th of July.
And what were you doing for the whole day from 6 till today?
It was, we have filed the matter on the last Friday itself.
Friday, got it. But this was last month 6th.
We have given a representation there.
What happened to that
We
representation?
have not replied to the.
Okay. Kali. (42 to 45). Mr. M. Hussain. Affidavit in opposition. To affidavit, you are for the petitioner. Petitioner, 2 weeks for filing affidavit in reply. Affidavit in reply. You want to file a reply, affidavit in reply? 4 weeks. Oh, 2 weeks. Interim till the next date only. 2 weeks you file.
Please, Lordship.
51.
Yes,
This is with regard to contractual dues.
yes.
Huh? Let the matter reach. Be here.
We need to, we
You want an adjournment. You are pressing it. Okay, done. Miss L. Wangchi, Learned Council. Adjournment to file interlocutory application for impleading the present incumbent. Prayer allowed, raised to list this matter after 4 weeks, along with the said interlocutory application. Madam, be here when the matter is called up. It's a contempt matter, it's my thing. Be here when the matter is called up. Yes. Yes, Mr. Bhuya. How can we help you here?
Shiva, when my lord, I was not.
Okay, show me the tender conditions which require this particular
Page, my lord, 17, my lord,
page
17.
17.
This
Where is
was-
that condition?
Last date, my lord, already gone.
Huh.
That is,
Mr. Chaudhary,
31st.
what has happened here? He has missed the bus, but he has said that before the closing of that verification thing, he had submitted the reports, but it was not countersigned. Okay. Hmm.
Take
You take your instructions. We'll have it on Friday. Mr. B. Chaudhary, Learned Counsel PWD. Learned Standing Counsel PWD submits that he would complete his instructions in the matter by 8.
In the meantime, work order may.
If it is issued, it is issued. You have not even participated in the tender process. 8/8/2025. Huh? Registered to list this matter again on 8/8/2025 for motion.
Obliged, Lord.
Mr. Bhuya, you have not even participated. You waited till the last
No,
moment.
no, question is, I was prevented.
Oh,
Because-
fine.
because-
Let us
because
let us get his version.
Without counter.
Even if the
Cannot submit.
tender work order is issued, something is done. If we find that you have been excluded, we are there, we'll protect you. But
Question is-
today I'm not,
Page-
and I want the complete conditions of the tender. Tender conditions are not given here. One line will not do. We want the entire tender conditions. Kindly get that also on record. Mr. Chaudhary, can you do it tomorrow? Oh, it was 7, no, 8, no, 7 go idea. Tomorrow.
Obliged.
When from the finance, we have to get some instructions.
Probably, my lord, in the regularization, my lord, order, pursuant to the cabinet decision of 2025. For those, my lord, must have.
But in the meantime, right?
That particular project, my lord, cabinet decision or that, my lord, notification of OM, I would place it, can it be, right?
That I think provides for that their cases will also be considered, subject
There
to
is a specific law.
production of death certificate. So why should we go into the validity of that decision? That is in the facts of that case, this coordinate bench has passed, will not go into. But if that is there, we'll do it
There's the also. Yes, on Wednesday.
next Wednesday. Budasana. 14. On the prayer of Mr. B. Gugoi, Learned Additional Advocate General appearing for the state respondents, registry to list this matter again on 14/8/2025 for further hearing.
Obliged.
May I please, your lordship? Earlier occasion, my lord.
File the amended cost title.
Already filed that by your lordship's order, my lord, dated 25/4/2025. Extra copies directed to serve upon the PW. But as there is a name of the council reflected, they
Can give it to any council.
they refuse to accept. I'm still we carried the copy.
Mr. Chaudhary was here. Mr. Chaudhary,
PWD roads.
PWD roads. Let us confirm. Mr. B. Chaudhary, no, it's don't need to see. You have PWD roads. You can accept notice on PWD roads. She said notices were served. It was not accepted because the name of the council was not shown in the order. Next time onwards, we will specify your consent to accept notice. This is item number 4. Ms. P. Bora, learned counsel for the petitioner submits that as the extra copies of the writ petition could not be served upon the standing counsel PWD inasmuch as no name of such counsel came to be reflected in the order dated 25/4/2025. She has further submitted that the copies were furnished to whom? You had furnished the copies to whom?
I might throw my flag there.
To whom? To whom? Which advocate? Cut it again away. Ms. Pete Bora submits that she would file the, she would furnish the extra copies of the writ petition to the learned standing counsel PWD during the course of the day. Also, Mr. B. Chaudhary, learned standing counsel PWD, agrees to accept the notices on behalf of the respondent number 4 and 5. Accordingly, Ms. P. Bora shall furnish the extra copies of the writ petition upon Mr. B. Chaudhary, learned standing counsel PWD during the course of the day. Also, registered to list this matter again after 4 weeks on a date to be fixed by it. In the meantime, Mr. Chaudhary shall complete his instructions in the matter. Done. Name of the raised list this matter again of 4 weeks, showing the name of the of standing counsel PWD road. PWD will do PWD in the cost list. Mr. Roy, why have you not filed the affidavit till now? 18 matter. Huh?
Can may be allowed. Doctor.
No.
The revenue department.
See, these are matters which should be expeditiously considered. If it is government land, evict them. If not, don't harass them. No, give me a date. This eviction process is by the deputy commissioner. Huh? The deputy commissioner? Dorang. Okay. On the next date, no need to file affidavit, let him come with the records. How can we keep a matter of 2018 pending like this? 2018 itself, you sought time to file affidavit. Thereafter, till now, nothing. Give me the date.
First week of September law.
Mr. S.S. Roy, learned counsel, learned government advocate, appearing for the state respondents, submit that the affidavit on behalf of the respondents represented by him shall be invariably brought on record on or before. Today we are on 5th, on or before 26.
Lordship, within 30th of August.
Okay, within 38/2025. Full stop. In the event the affidavit is not filed on or before 38/2025, on the next date of listing, this court would consider passing appropriate orders, including the requirement of the presence of the Deputy Commissioner, Dorang, before this court, along with the connected records for assisting this court in disposal of the writ petition. Registered to list this matter again on 8/9/2024. Ms. N. Bordeloy, learned standing counsel, revenue and disaster management, is present. Name of registered to list question by reflecting the name of standing counsel, revenue.
Amended cost title was filed as the 17th of February. The encroachers have been impleted.
But
The-
the office note says that you have neither provided the addresses nor provided an application before this court for some other mode of.
The addresses are there in the writ petition.
But
At page 95.
6 to 58. No, where is your address in the cost title? Where is the address in the cost title? Cause title is Abhiram Munda, son of Khel Munda, son of so-and-so. How can the notices be issued? No, we will not permit you before without the addresses.
The addresses, my lord, I can furnish the address, my
You
lord.
have to.
Of application, my lord, last order, my lord, specifies that I am directed to furnish the address of the encroachers, my lord. Appropriate application, I may be allowed to furnish the address.
You
my lord.
bring on record the addresses, then take steps. If it not done, then only substitute service. Or you take Dusty. Take Dusty.
My lord.
Huh?
Yes, my lord.
Ms. N. Upadhyay, Learned Counsel for the petitioner submits that the addresses of the respondent number 6 to 58 is available with her and she would bring that on record by way of filing an additional affidavit. Push up. She, however, submits that she be permitted to take steps on the respondent number 6 to 58 by way of Dusty mode routed, by way of Dusty, full stop. Prayer accepted. The Learned Counsel for the petitioner is permitted to take steps for service of notice upon the respondent number 6 to 58 by way of Dusty mode routed through the registry of this court. Push up. Upon effecting such service, an affidavit in this connection be brought on record by the Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Registry to list this matter again after 4 weeks on a date we fixed by.
Grateful.
Not in talking terms. Ms. Bodole, not in talking terms with Ms. Upadhyay. Then some things, keep it away from this court. Ms. N. Bodole, Learned Standing Counsel, Revenue is present. Madam, you do it, then we'll see what can be.
Right.
Non-release of.
But you have alleged that there is a... I thought Mr. Goyal has forgotten the matter.
My lord, after 6 it is 10, that's why.
That is because of the beauty. Yes. Matter is ready. Can be taken up for final disposal. Yes, Mr. They have made some allegations in the affidavit. Is it borne out from the conditions of the tender?
No, my lord, there, page 21, your lordship will kindly see.
It's 21.
Serial number 3. They have made final, my lord, final bill has already been cleared. Only the earnest money, my lord. Clause 1, the payment will be made by undersigned on receipt of the item by consignee in good condition as per specification of supply.
Is
order.
there any other condition, say like, say you have done the work, but maintenance for further 5 years? Is there anything like that?
No, my lord, page 34, it says about payment also, my lord. Only after completing work, they will make the payment. Page 34, a commissioning was not within the purview of my lord tender condition.
That is what I'm saying. Who will do the commissioning part?
That is up to them, my lord. We have.
But they have said here.
They are saying, but there is no, in tender condition, that not a single ever.
Yes, Mr. Das, how do you make this provision?
Here is, my lord, was 11B.
No, here he says that the only thing that I was asked to do was to supply the goods.
Commissioning.
From where do I get it? Yeah, your affidavit, para 5.
We have given reply also, my lord.
Letters was issued to him. my lord.
No, fine. But if he is not required to do that work, how can you saddle that work with him?
It was issued, my lord, after I demanded money, my earnest money. And close 4 of.
Lordship may come to our affidavit page number 20.
Later, my lord.
Annexure?
Yeah, my lord, we have.
The multimedia projector was returned to you.
I have not received, my lord.
But with reference to the above, I'm to inform you that the senior principal do not inform.
Was there any agreement executed between you and the,
My lord,
any agreement is executed?
agreement, but
Is there a work order?
work order is there,
Where? It was not a tender, it was a quotation.
quotation,
Where is the work order?
page 34. Next, 3A. Supply of tools and equipment.
Just a moment.
Right.
Why have you not commissioned it?
Not there, in fact.
Yes, it is there. Come to the special instructions at page para 11, clause C.
The stores will check genuine. Store will check genuine.
As per order type and
and
specification and
specification
shall only
and
be
shall
accepted
only
by,
be
no, no, B, sorry.
The supplier.
Supplier shall remain responsible until the entire goods equipments reach in good condition and after successful completion of the commissioning of the goods at the destination.
After,
So,
suc-
Mr.
my lord, after successful commissioning of goods
At the destination.
By whom, my lord?
By you. It can be by you only. You are the
The
man.
supplier will remain.
Okay, we'll hear it. You're not entitled. Heard Mr. A. Goyal, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, and Mr. S. P. Das, Learned Standing Counsel, Labor and Unemployment or Employment? It's unemployment here for employment. So the parties have submitted that the pleadings in the matter is complete and the same and the present writ petition can be taken up for final disposal. Register accordingly, register to list this matter again on 28 Pari, 28/8/2025 for admission hearing. Mr. Just give me that purport of that 2 lines.
I will do.
Document show the name of.
If he can satisfy me that that 2 lines is not relatable to him, for that he'll have to show what the goods are, what is the purport of that. Then you will have to immediately release with interest. Oh, design NSS.
And this is 17 matured, my lord.
17 mature, not reinvested.
No, my lord.
So you will have to pay him with interest.
My lord, only 1,53,000. my lord.
Whatever it is. Mr. Goyal also appears for 1,53,000 matters, not for 1,53,00,000 only. Sometimes he appears for
My lord,
1 lakh
sometime
also.
I assisted your lordship also.
But this one you give me what the machine is, what the purport of that whole process was. Okay.
Document show the number of Mr. Reference number 1.
Registered to list this matter on so and so, showing the name of Mr. B.J. Talukdar, Learned Senior Counsel, appearing for the respond number 1. Ah. 7? Ah. No, Mr. Chaudhary, I'm sorry that this was not informed, but the ground taken was that the petitioner counsel is indisposed. That was done. So when have we fixed it? 19th. Tattolatli hidiya. No further adjournment would be granted in the matter to either of the parties. Can't help it. Disposed. When a mention is made that the counsel is not keeping well, I have my otherwise other grounds I don't entertain. But this is a ground I can't. But they ought to have informed you. Influxes 5/2/17, 5/9/17, that circular is not there. We will not allow it any further. I'm sorry. Last occasion also the same thing happened. I remember now. Mr. Chaudhary, next time this is not going to happen. Your senior is at least on legs, but the petitioner is missing. This repudiation is not proper. The petitioner is entitled to that money. Okay. None appears for the petitioner on call. However, the ends of justice registered to list this matters again after 4 weeks on a date to fix by. 4 weeks on 2 weeks. 2 weeks. Mr. Ahmed, what is to be done today? You have an interim order?
Lordship, interim
Ah.
order is there.
Okay. Heard Mr. G.Z. Ahmed, learned counsel for the petitioner, and Mr. U. Das, learned additional senior government advocate appearing for the state respondent. It is stated at the bar by the learned counsel for the parties that the issue involved in the present petition is pending consideration before the division bench of this court in the proceedings of writ appeal number 12 of
2018.
2018.
18.
Full stop. Accordingly, registered to list this matter after the disposal of the said writ appeal. Full stop. Till the return of till the next date of listing, the interim orders passed. The interim orders passed in the matter shall continue until further orders. Mr. Ahmed, now you are fit and fine.
Lordship.
Good. Yes.
14 July 25. Instruction by the
Why have you stopped the respondent counsels from appearing in the court? And that to PWD. That is not done. Now, how can we go? You have stopped him. You thought you will get a workout. But this matter, I can't. Get them. Mr. Yes, madam. What do you have to say? Submitted. Where is the charge sheet? Where is the No, you need not bring it. We are not concerned. What is the number? So, Mr. If the charge sheet has been filed, what is left?
Some time may be given, you know.
Why? You go and contest it. Miss Veera, learned counsel, appearing for the respondent number 4, submits that a charge sheet in the matter is been filed and she would bring the same on record by way of filing an additional affidavit. Prayer is not objected to by the learned counsel for the petitioner. Registered to list this matter again after 4 weeks. Mr. B.J. Talukda, learned senior counsel, is present for the respondent number 1, 2, 3. But madam, even if it is a charge sheet file, the challenge is to a FIR. We can still consider that. But anyway, get those things on record.
May please, your lordship.
Hmm.
My lord, on 4/12/24, lordship, State Council took time for filing an affidavit with translation version of the instruction.
Today we can have that original one. Because the court naturally on that day did not have the expertise to read. Today we can read. We can hear it. Where is that instructions?
Affidavit, my lord.
Affidavit has been filed.
Copy is not served to me, lord.
Yes, it is signed. It is served on you. 11/2/2025. Rajesh Soma, your signature is here. You can check up or we'll send it for forensic. What is there? So they are in the clean. Now tell me, this annulment occasioned in 1972. Today, what can we do?
But that annulment, lordships, it is within the procedure as per.
Be that as it may, 1972, it was done because the land revenue was not paid. And there was an order, 16/2/72. And by the additional commissioner, deputy commissioner on 24/3/1972. And the land, 7 bighas was given to somebody else. They are not respondents here. Today, if we have to put you back, we'll have to cancel the settlement made. 72, this writ petition was filed when? 2018.
Lordships, one copy I will take from him, Lordships. Matter may be fixed on the next day.
Give him a copy so that we can take it up after some time. Why this matter should be kept pending, Mr. Sharma? What is there, you tell me. What is there, I'll allow you.
It was 95 after cancellation. 5 it was allotted.
Huh.
After so many years,
This cannot be.
there is a third party right now.
Third party right create. There, the affidavit says that 3 bighas is still vacant. If you want, make an application, they'll consider. Because you are not in possession, admittedly. Okay, we'll not put Mr. Sharma to trouble. Mr. R. Sharma, learned counsel for the petition, submits that he be given 2 days' time to make his submissions in the matter. Prayer is not objected to by Mr. B.J. Talukdar, learned senior counsel appearing for the state respondents. For register to list this matter again on next Gupta said it 13/8/2025 for further hearing. Mr. Who is appearing? Yes.
Is writ petition regarding yes.
No money has been released till now. Why? Why, Mr. Talukdar? Why is this poor lady required? If she is getting it, she gets it. It seems to be that her case is covered. Ex gratia. That death in the road. Extremist. Miscreants. These poor people will not even be able to enter there. We will pass orders. Mr. Talukdar, you get, no, we just want a clarification from you and what has happened. Just get that clarification, we'll pass the order. He'll give you a copy. He'll give you a copy. You give him a copy. Because we don't want this poor lady to be suffering like this.
If she is
Entitled, she give it. If not, tell her you're not. Please, sorry. That's all. That we will do it. Mr. B.J. Talukdar, learned senior counsel, submits that he would apprise this court about the stand of the respondents on the next date of listing. First off, in view of the prayer being so made by Mr. Talukdar, learned additional senior government and additional learned senior counsel appearing for the state respondents, this court directs the this court so and so raised to list this matter again on 19/8/2025. Name of Mr. B.J. Talukdar, learned senior counsel, be reflected in the cause title for the respondents. Mr. Just get up.
Please, Your Lordship. Here in this case, the petitioner is expired, Lordship. I have already communicated. Instruction with regard to the legal error. It will be taken after 4 weeks, Lordship.
No. Sorry. This aspect of the matter, when did he expire?
In the year 2022, something. like
22.
that. Yeah,
Till now, you couldn't take.
exactly, Lordship.
Mr. S.P. Chaudhary, learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that the petitioner herein had passed on in the year 2021.
Exactly, date is.
2021, 22,
Maybe 20.
22. And thereafter, none of his legal representatives have come forward for being substituted in his place in the present proceedings. In that view of the matter, he submits that there is none to press the petition as on date. Full stop. Mr. B. Chaudhary, learned counsel for the.
Lordship, may keep it open, Lordship. If I want to file an application for substitution, I can file an application
No,
for
no,
confirmation of date.
no. No,
Because the
because on merits, I'm satisfied that you don't have a case. For 4 years, nobody had turned up, Mr. Counsel. Can you get the exact date of death? You get the telephonic instruction.
that communication I am not
Okay.
giving, Lordship. because-
None to press the matter today. Full stop. কি লিখিছো? Mr. B. Chaudhary does not object to this. Full stop. It is seen that the petition, that the death of the original, of the present petitioner, none of his legal heirs have been brought on record till date, in spite of lapse of more than 4 years since the date of the petitioner hearing.
22, then it's
3 years from the date of death of the petitioner hearing. So in view of the above situation arising in the matter, this court is of there being none to press the present writ petition, comma, the present writ petition stands dismissed for non-prosecution. Now you got it?
Yes. That was maybe taken up after some time, my lord.
No, not after some time. Today we have enough.
That on Monday, my lord.
When is Mr. Goel coming back?
Half an hour, my
15th. 21st of the year. Prayer of the Learned Council for the petitioner, 21st.
Yeah, except 21st.
26th. Yes, Mr. Chakraborty, what can we do for you here?
That corrigendum, Lordship, page 20, my lord.
That
There is a-
corrigendum, Mr. Chakraborty, has a relation to the policy of the government.
Yes.
It is with regard to that advertisement policy they have linked it.
Yes.
In the advertisement policy also, online media is not there.
That is okay.
No, online media is there for exigencies. If there is an exigent circumstance like an earthquake or a flood, they can take resort to that, but generally it is not there. So if this is a government policy, how can we help you?
My lord,
And how many scholarships are given in a year? I did not find that exact number.
50,000 is giving one, I think.
One. So
Uh,
that person has already been selected and given.
That advertisement part is gone, my lord. This is for
So
future-
this is gone.
This is for future reference, my lord.
Still expecting.
And next time the advertisement, my instruction is that after that advertisement, no advertisement.
No advertisement has
Till
been
date,
issued.
my lord.
Okay, we'll keep it open. We'll keep it open. We'll keep it open.
Their reply, Lordship, kindly see. Their reply, they are reiterating that we are not deleted.
We have only kept it in abeyance. Okay, fine.
That.
It is up to them.
My lord,
The question is, Mr. Chakraborty,
my lord,
they have not said so, but what I feel,
Hello.
online media is an in thing now. It's there to
Yeah.
stay.
even the advertisement which we are referring to, that was published in online, my lord, in Facebook.
Okay, I've seen that. But the thing is that online media is still to be regulated.
Regulation
Print
is
and
everywhere.
electronic media are regulated.
But that is more in our life now, my lord.
Yes.
They're all in online.
Yes,
media.
yes. Online media cannot be excluded from the day-to-day life of a citizen.
That was there in their policy, and they kept in evidence saying something which is possibly not correct, my lord. The advertisement policy refers to online media, my lord, the internet thing.
No, if you, you're this, I thought you will be pointing that out to me. Maybe I'm wrong. If you can come to that corrigendum once.
Is origin, my lord.
Can you take the trouble of reading it once?
My lord, the Governor of Assam is pleased to keep in abeyance the term online media from para 2 under eligibility criteria of the Media Fellowship Guideline issued by OM under reference, as the online media web portal has not yet been brought under the purview of existing advertisement policy. In para 2 of the eligibility criteria of the Media Fellowship.
Okay, but here it says web portal. An online media will be web portal only,
web
or
portal,
there can be anything else.
anything there is my lord, one thing is print media. Other thing is
Electronic media.
that radio and television, and the third one is the internet. I mean, through internet.
No, whether online media portal, web portal and online media are same or
Same.
same?
Portals are, there's the news portal and all, my lord. And they in the reply also, they said that, my lord, lordship can
But
take
here
instruction, my
in
lord.
the, sorry, I was referring to a wrong page. In the in the advertisement policy, online media is,
Clause 7, my lord, general policy for release of advertisement.
hmm.
They are talking about advertisement policy, my lord. So it says that in addition to
No,
the-
you, in addition to the advertisement, so and so may see issue advertisement in so and so,
radio,
and so
television,
internet another.
no,
So electronic media and internet are in the same category.
electronic is, my lord,
Insofar as this advertisement policy is there, advertisement policy is only for print media. In addition to issuance of advertisement in print media, director so and so may issue advertisement in electronic media, namely radio, TV, internet, and other media for wide publicity to meet the immediate necessity. So you are also covered here.
it is covered here. That's it. That is my case, my lord. They are showing the reason. This reason is not tenable, my lord.
No, if say government policy from this is that we will only issue advertisement in the print media. In addition to that, it's up to the director. He can issue in any of these medias to meet the immediate necessity. So electronic media and internet are placed in the same right.
Same.
If you are issuing there, they also are getting. This will be an academic exercise now, Mr.
No, academic for future reference and my lord, lordship kindly says this is classification. It hurts. They are
Right,
letters also, my lord.
and that too for a senior person, senior journalist like him. It would be.
It hurts the discrimination, my lord. Why all of a sudden it kept in advance?
Okay, Mr. Goswami, you have not cancelled it. You have only kept it in abeyance. What happened thereafter? Okay.
That can be done, my lord.
Mr. N. Goswami, learned counsel for the learned government advocate appearing for the state respondent, submits that he would take instructions as to whether the government had carried out a review of the decision incorporated in the corrigendum dated 18/9/2020 to keep in abeyance the term online media from para 2 of online media to keep in abeyance the journalist working in online media from applying for being considered for award of media fellowship. What is it called? Media?
Media fellowship.
Media fellowship. Media fellowship to apostrophe without quote over. As formulated by the office memorandum dated 31/3/2020. Mr. Goswami shall apprise this court about the said about the same on the next date of listing that was registered to list this matter again on
What is convenient?
29, that was.
29/8/2025. Friday, it's no problem.
No problem.
Item 21 and 17.
Mr. Goswami, when you talk to your officers, tell them that the differentiation with this various categorization is now gone. Maybe that's maybe my perception, maybe wrong. It's now print and electronic. Electronic will include all, and you have also included that in the same category. So just see, why have a grievance? He can only apply.
Yes, ma'am.
He can only apply. Why are you keeping them away? He may be a very competent person otherwise, may have some contribution to make. Because this is again a research thing. So keep it open. Do the exercise. Let them also come. You consider. Just have a talk in that line. Who is for item number 78? You are paying? Huh? Cooperation. I want respondent in a number. Respondent number? 7. Okay. 6. No. Where is that?
Lord, for 78, no one is appearing, my lord.
No petitioner.
Now, I have not seen the counsel for the petitioner, my lord.
Okay, he might be waiting till 78.
78.
We'll have it together with 78.
2 PM, my lord.
If it comes, because he'll have to come. Get him. If you can get hold of him earlier, we'll take it up earlier, no problem.
Obliged.
Matter has become infructuous, Your Lordship. Primarily, we were here because that affidavit of the government takes care of your grievances.
Yes, Your Lordship, because there was a flood in 2020.
No. Now everything is taken care of.
That it was taken care of 21.
Mr. V. Rajkwa, learned counsel for the petitioner. And Mr. V. Rajkwa, learned counsel for the petitioner, and Mr. B. Goswami, learned additional advocate general Assam. Mr. V. Rajkwa submits that the grievances of the petitioner raised in the present petition has since been redressed by the respondent authorities, and as on date, there is no grievance remaining unredressed which was raised in the present writ petition. Accordingly, he submits that the present writ petition may be closed as having become infructuous. Prayer is not objected to by Mr. N. Goswami and Mr. I. Bhattakur, learned counsel, appearing for the respondents. Also, in view of the above, the present writ petition stands dismissed as having become infructuous. Uparot, closed as having become infructuous.
Observation, Your Lordship, the liberty may be to resettlement of.
If you have any other grievance, that was a grievance here.
Oh, no. That
Then-
was primarily
Make it, we have not stalled you. This was with regard to your condition,
relief camps
relief camp and all that. Their affidavit, they say we have taken.
taken care of subsequently.
Obliged. Respond number 4 and 5, Mr. Hasdakto. I. Bhattakur, I. Bhattakur, learned standing counsel, forest, and Mr. N. Goswami, learned government advocate. Enanga likhila government advocate, forest, aru revenue. Obliged. Who will produce the award?
My lord, as per the order dated 24th of January 2022, direction was given to the to produce the.
Yes, Mr. Goswami, Mr. K. Goswami. Where, Mr. Goswami, where is the award? Dated 10/10/2018.
Clarification is to the award is regarding to the land. I am against.
Zirat.
Zirat, yes.
Yes, Lordship, I am submitting. Lordship, this case is covered by the 3G5 of National Highways Act. Lordship, he wants additional approach the arbitrator, Lordship, as
No, arbitrator has passed an award here. In arbitration case number 2 of 2017.
his prayer is for and
Forget it. This court had directed. Where is that arbitration award? That is the matter pending from 22 till date. Who has this arbitration? Deputy Commissioner?
additional district commission.
Additional District Commissioner?
Arbitration is arbitrated.
Whoever, after that award, who has that award? The matter was referred to arbitration. Then what happened?
Regarding land, award was passed and enhanced payment was
Awarded.
awarded. Regarding land, not Zirat, my lord may kindly come to page 15 annexure 4. So here, my lord, the left side corner addition, Kala has already put the matter, send the matter for a joint survey. But in the meantime, thereafter, my lord, for the doing the joint survey, I came before this honorable court. In the meantime.
What
that-
was the wrong in the joint survey?
Nothing, my lord. But that was not done.
Joint survey.
That
was
is
done.
why I was before
So
your. lordship.
today, how can the joint survey be done? The
That is
thing, whole thing
because
is gone.
Land is already.
Gone. So how can we determine this?
But if there is already a joint survey or some report was there,
That you show me that there was a joint survey and a report.
that is to be said by the.
That cannot be. Your prayer is enhance compensation as well as amount as well as compensation against these valuable trees under Land Acquisition Act so and so. Now, with regard to the enhanced compensation, there is already an arbitration award. What has happened to that? Implemented,
Yes, yes.
done,
Payment is already
made.
made.
Then why have you not brought? Why have you not brought that to the notice of this court on the earlier occasions?
I am repeatedly saying that land matter
This
is already-
Zirat cannot be done today, Mr. Consul.
is correct. But,
So,
but my lord, the department has to show if there is any GRAT or survey or anything else. And if not, why it was not done? That is to be.
where is the award? Copy of the award, whether these things have been incorporated therein.
Whole process was under top secrecy, my lord. And even thereafter, I applied before the deputy commissioner as well as Kala for the copies. They did not sended me any documents, my lord. My lord, may I kindly peruse the additional affidavit filed by me. There one application has been given, and against that one report is also there. Additional affidavit. So I applied for the certified copies, but that was also not provided to me by the Kala. Page 4 Annexure A of the additional affidavit. my lord.
It seems that the field verification, only the land was taken into consideration. That earlier Zirat was not. Page 23, internal page 5.
Yes, that is the report against one application filed by me. For certified copies. To Annexure A of that additional affidavit. Against this application for certified copies, this report has been given. So nothing was supplied to me thereafter also. So why they are doing in such a manner, I don't know, my lord.
Mr. Goswami, I'm fixing it at to get the on facts.
Okay, one plan in verification. They must not be allowed.
Okay, fine. Get the copy of the award.
Yes.
Maybe there is, because the readings of the petitioner shows arbitrator. 2 o'clock.
That award is passed by the, I think, additional.
Whoever it is, Mr. Goswami will know. He'll get it at 2 o'clock.
Maybe tomorrow.
Today, 2 o'clock. Okay. Tomorrow, Kali. Register to list this matter again. Tomorrow, Kali date the dia. Kali 7/8/2025. Kali no. Kumbara dia. 11/8/2025. 11/8. And if I don't get this copy on 11, it's from where? Nogam. Jorat. Evening, I'll sit here till 6. I want your additional deputy commissioner here.
Problem.
Yeah. Hmm.
16.
Okay. Ukil ekene. কি লেখে নাকি শোষণ? নহয় নহয় বেলেগ এটা কাম কৰা, এইটো কালি লিষ্টিং কৰাই দিয়া, বেলেগকে কৈ দিয়া। এটা লিখাচোন, এই যে লিখিছিলা তুমি ওপৰত কিমান আছিল এতিয়া 23, তাৰ তলত লিখিবা WPC number 723 2016, which has been records of which has been tagged along with the records of the above noted writ petition be detagged and listed again on Monday, on Monday, Monday 11/8.
Dear Lordship. Lordship, I filed my
Get it, give it. Give the copy. Give the copy to the court also, we can consider. It's with that Bricklin. There are reports of the authorities also here, which shows that the thing has been operated in a manner required. What do you have to say?
They have encroached the lands as well as they without consent, Lordship.
Of consent of whom? Pollution board has filed an affidavit here.
Still running there was an order.
No consent from
Lordship, it is part of it.
pollution control board says that it is operating with the required wastage that pollution norms.
All things that has been not.
How can I know that? That is for the pollution control board. If they are not doing it, file an FIR saying that they are not complying with these things.
That may be taken up next week.
You had taken time on 4/3/25, 10 days. You are filing the affidavit today when the matter is listed. Yes, what is your stand? Where is pollution control board? Yes, Mr. Roy, what's your stand?
Lordship, the requisite documents.
What is the stand of the pollution control board?
Pollution control board has given us the consent to operate, Your Lordship. Both the documents, the consent to operate.
Right,
And in one case it was not there, but during the pendency that also has been now received, Your Lordship. Kathmandu has also submitted report saying that the Bricklin is operating more than 500 meters from the residence.
Away. And it's your own land, government land.
One of the cases our own land, other is
But this is not government land.
government land, Lordship.
At the Learner Council for the parties, it is submitted at the bar that the readings in the matter is completed and the submitted the bar, the petitioner has filed a rejoinder in the matter today, and therefore the pleadings are complete. Registry to list this matter again for admission hearing in the month of September 2025 on a date to be fixed by.
Your Lordship.
Wait, please, Your Lordship. My lords, one requisition slip to I file in item number 74 and 75. Lords. Right. Wait, please, Your Lordship. It's a tender matter. Wait, no payment problem. Yes.
Beyond that.
Where is the order?
We shall file.
When? After 3 years. Where is that order of this court? Oh, sorry. 50 lakhs. We are not concerned with this. We are concerned with what is happening here in this case. This will not do, madam. You will have to either admit or
We shall file. Brahmo has filed.
Yes. My lord, there were 9 different work orders. Out of that 9 different work orders, no payment was done. Subsequent to that, my lord, 9 writ petition was also filed. My lord, out of that 9, 2 were disposed of. These are the orders. My lord.
Lordship, I have.
My lord, 2 to 7, an observation was made. My lord.
you file your affidavit. Ms. Abi Bora, learned counsel appearing for the petitioner, submits that she has received the instructions and the affidavit on behalf of the PTC authorities would be filed on or before 1 week. Confident? On 18/8/2025. Registry to list this matter again on 29/8/2025. In the meanwhile, upon filing of the affidavit by the respondent, the petitioner is at liberty to bring on record his rejoinder thereto before the next date of listing. Again, come on. Same, next to also same. Ekkalage, my dear. Same order. But file 2 affidavits because works are different. Just say that you admit or you don't admit. That's the end of the matter for us. But with reasons.
Or is different, he said.
We have filed against the
Both of you will go out now. There are still chairs outside. Sit for 2 minutes, verify.
Highly obliged.
Other than adjournment, anything. I only want the records.
Lordship, my seniors on legs is coming.
No, you get the records for me.
Yes,
That's all.
Lordship, we are coming. We will.
Just get the records. Nothing else can be done here.
For some time.
After some time. Mr. Chaudhary, he is on legs, he has the records. We'll just have to see. I only want to see how the SLC had arrived at his conclusion. That much only. Otherwise also you are not taking any action. You do. And I don't know why the deputy commissioner is also not acting in the matter. No, I want to be satisfied what the grounds are. If the grounds are clearly perverse, that SLC cannot stand. We'll have to remand it back. To that extent only. To that extent only.
31.
I am appearing on behalf of myself.
Huh?
I am appearing on behalf of my password timing.
Timing. Why no affidavit? You're not interested.
Lordship, I have not filed it. More time may be given, Lordship.
More time.
Lordship.
Time till how much? 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock? No. You had time for 3 months. You have not done anything. Why?
Lordship,
Casualness. Why should we always come and adjourn matters for time? We have better matter things to do.
Lordship, after a week at least.
And next time this is happening, I'm imposing cost. Tell me, when will you file your affidavit?
My submission.
When will you file your affidavit?
Next week, Lordship.
Next week. Okay. And Mr. Bhattaji, 14, both of you. Mr. Bhattaji, A. Bhattaji and Mr. L.R. Mojumdar, Mr. A. Bhattaji, Learned Standing Counsel, Revenue Department, and Mr. L.R. Mojumdar, Learned Counsel appearing for the private respondent number 7, undertakes to file the affidavit on behalf of the respondents represented by them on or before 18/8/2025. Full stop. In the event the affidavit is not so filed by the next date of listing, for every adjournment that would now be taken, the respondents individually would have to bear a cost of rupees 10,000 per adjournment.
I have another small prayer. His vendor, petitioner's vendor filed another writ petition claiming the possession. in the- That record may be followed. The record.
Okay, you file your affidavit, bring it there, then we will call.
Yes.
10,000 to continue. None appears for the petition on call. They might have got the money. Last 2-3 days, there is no representation. 5 lakhs only. None appears for the petition on call. It is seen that on the last date of listing also, there was no representation on the part of the petitioner. So the matter being with in connection to the non-release of the contractual dues of the petitioner, comma, the non-representation of the petitioner may be on the ground that the amount due to the petitioner has already been released. So be that as it may, there being no representation on the petitioner, or representation on the part of the petitioner, even on the last date of listing and also on call today, the present writ petition is dismissed for non-prosecution.
We have filed our affidavit, but
Beg your lordship, my lord. This, my lord, this refers to the non-payment of and release of 19,70,704 only, my lord. I have not been paid.
Yes, Mr.
2012.
Sorry, do you admit to this?
2017, my lord.
Instruction.
Okay, you receive your instructions. Mr.
My
B.
lord, just 1 minute, my lord, I want a passage hearing from your lordship, in the my lord, I have spent huge amount, my lord, taking loans from the relatives, friends, bank, my lord. They allot the work order, my lord. I have completed the work order, my lord. I just want to draw your lordship's kind attention to Annexure A, page 14, my lord. Page 14, my lord. In the RTI that I sought, they have said, my lord, due is to be paid to me, which stands as 19,61,704. I cannot do my new work now. I cannot take any order. for
When was this work allotted to you, Mr. Moraman? When was this work allotted to you?
Since, my lord, 2000, I'd be highly pleased if your lordship go through page 19, my lord. Page 19. Annexure C, page 18, my lord.
Mr.
These are
This
the
work
work
that is involved here,
This is the work order, my lord. I will
for
survive.
different work orders. So you have amalgamated different work orders in one writ petition.
There are 3 RTIs I have filed.
Forget
The
it.
3 RTIs
In this
that-
case, Mr. Moraman, there are different work orders.
My lord, I agree.
How
my
can
lord.
you do that?
I agree, my lord.
How can you do that?
No, my lord, I have been filing representations after representations.
That
by
is up to
department
you.
authority,
That is up to you.
But they have not followed it, my lord.
But here, your
why did
dues
you-
are not against a particular work order. It's against whatever work you have done, 19 lakh odd is pending.
My lord, your lordship may pass an order, my lord. I'm only seeking justice, my lord. I'm only seeking justice.
And we are also here to do justice, but to both the parties.
That is why my lord, it reminds me. that-
Mr. Rahman, I'm not here to do justice only to the petitioner. I have
No,
also to
I'm
do
not
justice.
that.
Oh.
I'm not only that, my lord. I'm only saying, my lord, that is the way he has rightly said, Martin Luther King Jr., injustice anywhere in the world is a threat to justice.
Mr. Rahman, you stick to your fact.
Yes, my lord. That is why a direction be given to them, my lord, that to, they have to substantiate the bill. I have already submitted the bill. They go through the bill, my lord. If there is, it is, that is.
I'm
due
sorry,
to
I'm
me.
not doing that.
That is due to me.
I'm not doing that because it is not one bill and we don't know what is the condition, because just a executive engineer putting down
Yes, my lord.
14 works and then saying this
Yes,
is
my
due,
lord. Yes, my lord.
will not accept.
The notice, my lord.
Notice is already issued.
It will be left, my lord, for hearing, my.
It's already issued. Let the respondents file an affidavit here.
My lord, my lord. That will do, my lord. Lord, I am S.S.A. Rahman, formerly judicial officer. my lord.
Is that relevant?
No, my lord, because my
Is
name
that relevant, Mr. Rahman?
No, my lord, that is not mentioned.
Mr. Relevant, is that relevant that I should write
No, no.
SSA Rahman, ex-judicial officer?
No, my lord, I'm not on that.
So
You have
please,
to-
please stick
My
to
lord, my
your,
name is not, my lord, my name is not written in the Wakalatnama. That is why I am mentioning.
maybe, but you're being an ex-judicial officer, will that have any bearing in your appearance as an
I'm
advocate?
saying, my lord, I'm being to.
I'm just replied to what you said.
I'm just referring. to-
Mr. SSA Rahman,
My lord,
learned counsel for the petitioner. Heard also heard Mr. B. Chaudhary, learned standing counsel, PWD. Mr. B. Chaudhary submits that. Do you have any objection with the amalgamation of the various work orders? Okay, Mr. Chaudhary submits that. As there is amalgamation of more than one work order in the present writ petition, comma, he is required to receive his instructions in the matter from the concerned authority. Accordingly, he prays that he be granted 4 weeks' time to complete his instructions in the matter. Prayer accepted. A registry to list this matter after 4 weeks on a date to be fixed by. Next date we'll see.
my lord, highly obliged, my lord, obliged.
My lord. Last item I was.
Which one?
Item 32, my lord.
32 dear. Dismiss provision, 32. Yes, Mr. Jain, but you seem not to appear on the last date also.
I was on same court, my lord. Court.
Oh, ho, 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 ho.
They also, my lord, one matter is there, my lord.
Yes, you have not been paid.
Not, my lord. Today they have filed an affidavit, my lord.
What is that affidavit? Just show me. Sorry. Affidavit to Colco India. When was it filed?
Today, my lord. Today I have.
Affidavit to Colco India. We are calling for the affidavit. We'll pass the orders. You have admitted his dues. We'll give you 3 months payment. If you have to recover from the state Union India, go recover. Huh? No. Mr. Das, just indicate one thing. In the work order that you issued to him, have you told him or intimated him that you will be only paid for 20%, not for 80% subject to receipt of fund from the central government? That was a one work order. And today now, at the time of paying, you are making all this.
Any excuses, Lordship?
It's the work of 2012, mister. He is waiting till 2025. This is his money.
We are paying from our means what?
You pay from wherever. I'm giving him 1 month time. Within 1 month, you release that money. Okay, I'll give you 6 months, but 9% from the date the amount was due. Choice is yours. No, 1 month or 9%, whichever is yours. Please don't bargain. If we have to go technically, that work order does not contemplate 2 payments. It contemplates only 1 payment. He knows you only. From where you are getting, that is not his headache. That's your headache. 1 month. And I'll say within 1 month, if not, the interest at bank notes from the date it was due. Too much. I'm getting a lot of matters like this. These people are also to live. The contractors that do work for you, they do at your invitation. It's livelihood. And they are not paid. They are not paid. Aren't they citizens of this country? Is the government not responsible? They are doing work for you. Can you just ignore them? If they have completed the work as per the standard required, fulfilling all norms, immediately they are entitled. If they had done some bungling, you proceed. We have nothing to say. But this cannot be. If you have no work, no money, no work should be done. But people should not be put to trouble like that.
Paying them,
2012, 13 years. Huh? What is the value of 5 lakh then and 5 lakh today? Let the affidavit come. We'll pass the orders.
Pursuant to the order of 24/7, I visited BSNL office.
From when was he on leave?
I have, this is a letter.
No, date. Give me the date.
Leave from 19/7 to 1/8.
19/7 of?
19/7/25 to 1/8.
When was the BSNL authorities implemented here?
They were implemented earlier.
Earlier.
but-
Notices.
No, but I had not appeared. There was somebody else
Some
appeared.
whoever it is appearing,
So
they
we are
know
not-
about it.
No, we are not, they were not aware of it.
Why?
That is what the thing, is. We have received the notice, we are not aware. Once they were aware, they made, then I appealed. That was the problem.
Okay.
That is my difficulty. I have gone there on 21st.
Mr. R. Das, Learned
RJ
Counsel,
Das.
RJ Das, Learned Counsel for the Learned Standing Counsel BSNL submits that the matter with regard pertaining to release of pertaining to the claim of compensation by the petitioner made by the petitioner in the present proceeding is under active consideration of the authority of the respondents represented by him. He submits that the final decision in the matter not be arrived at inasmuch as the Chief General Manager, BSNL, Assam Circle, is on leave,
Was on leave from.
was on leave from
19/7/25.
19/7/25 to
1/8/20.
1/8/25, and thereafter he has rejoined back. Mr. Das submits that he be granted a week's time, 2 weeks' time, to complete his instructions and undertakes that the compensation amount would be finalized in the meanwhile. Full stop. By the respondents, by the BSNL authorities. Full stop. Registry to list this matter again on 28/8/2025, on which date Mr. Das shall place before this court the decision arrived at with regard to the quantum of compensation payable to the petitioner herein by the BSNL authorities.
Please, Your Lordship.
Yes, Mr. Talukdar.
Negotiated settlement as.
This, you are not satisfied with the quantum of compensation limit. Go before the reference court. This is 2013 Act.
13, my lord. But
Oh. Why should we come in now? You go before the reference court. This is not maintainable. Solely, it's a quantum.
What
Enhancement of quantum.
enhancement of what?
Then go before 10. Good.
Liberty mechanism there.
Mr.
An alarm.
N. Alam, learned counsel for the petitioner. On instruction, submit that he be permitted to withdraw the present writ petition to approach the appropriate forum for enhancement of the compensation as determined for acquisition of the land, of his land. Full stop. Prayer is not objected to by Mr.
Mechanism, under the provisions of Act of 2013, my lord.
That we don't know. You go. Prayer is not objected to by Mr. B.J. Talukdar, learned senior counsel appearing for the respondents. Accordingly, registry to list this matter. Accordingly, the writ petition stands dismissed on withdrawal with liberty as prayed for. Ms. N. Bodle, learned standing counsel, revenue appears for the respondent number 1, 2, and 3.
May it please your lordship, on the last of the event, respond to crime for filing affidavit, my lord. Till today,
No affidavit has been filed. What is your instruction? How many installments are there? 2. Total? 3. 2 received. Then?
Already having a Pakka house.
Already having a Pakka house.
Is presently. It's already benefit.
All these things suppressed in the writ petition.
affidavit will be required, my lord.
She has given you facts. Why is this facts not borne out in the writ petition?
Sometime my senior.
You filed this affidavit. If it is suppression, we'll have to catch them also. Miss N. Bora, learned standing counsel, Panchayat and Rural Development Department, submits that she has received complete instructions in the matter and would file the affidavit on or before. And if you don't file it on or before 18, difficult. 18, when you give me a date. 20? 20. Okay, on 28, 2025. On or before 28, 2025. Full stop. The petitioner would be at liberty thereafter to bring on record his rejoinder thereto on or before 29/8/2025. Registry to list this matter along with the said affidavits on 3/9/2025. Yes. Who are you? Palash Chandra Medi, who is president? Your former president. Okay. There is some allegation against you. You have given it to your relatives without giving it to them. That is the allegation against you. We'll see.
In this matter, my lord, I have a very limited prayer, my lord. At page 38, my lord, this is the petition submitted by the petitioner, my lord. And it is pending before the circle officer South Sanmara, my lord. It may be disposed of as per law, my lord.
38.
Yes, my lord.
Yes, Mr. Talukdar.
Lordship,
1912.
I had, yes, 1912. There is no record by instruction. Their village was eroded by the river. Therefore, it was made khas. That is the instruction.
So what is his remedy now? He can approach this is you want me to dispose of page 38?
It's pending, my lord.
How can I? Require the minister to pass an order.
Then, my lord, they will file.
You withdraw it, I'll give you liberty. Not passing any order here. 1912, land gone, now again come back. That is made.
Grand settlement, my lord.
Good.
Thanks.
I've seen that.
But,
Mr. Roy,
Yes.
withdraw it. I'll give you liberty. I'll ask them also if that is filed to consider, but Deputy Commissioner. Mr. D.K. Roy, after attempting to argue the matter at some length. Heard Mr. D.K. Roy, learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Ms. N. Bodle, learned counsel appearing for the respondent number 1. And Mr. B.J. Talukda, learned senior counsel appearing for the respondents number 2 and 3. Mr. D.K. Roy, after attempting to argue the matter at some length, submits that he be permitted to withdraw the petition with liberty to approach the district magistrate, South Salmara. District magistrate, Kokrajhar.
my lord,
Oh.
South Salmara, Mankasa, my lord.
South Salmara Mankacha for redressal of his grievance. Prayer is not objected to by the learned counsel for the respondents. First up, accordingly, the writ petition stands dismissed on withdrawal with liberty to the petitioner to approach the jurisdictional district magistrate for redressal of his grievances. In the event of any filing of any such application by the petitioner, the jurisdictional district commissioner shall consider the same strictly in accordance with the provisions of law.
Right, my lord.
(39) Whether show cause was issued to him.
Was issued, but they said that they have not received.
That's it. What is the material available that it was received by them? Because a categorical statement in 2 paragraphs is we have not received the notices nor received the notices for hearing. And this is one ground we can always come in.
Paragraph 283.
That's why we wanted the records. And that is what we want, Mr.
We're on date to fix by lordship. On that day, they will serve a copy of Soko's notice and thereafter I will reply, my lord.
Fine, done. We heard Mr. R.S. Mishra, learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. S.C. Cal, learned counsel appearing for the learned standing counsel CGST appearing for all the respondents. Even one also for all the respondents. So the petitioner, the challenge in the present petition by the petitioner is to an order in order dash in Dangorga ORINGL original dated 30/3/2023. Confirming a demand of service tax, including cess amounting to rupees 16,37,501 for the financial year 2016-17 in terms of section 73(2) of the Finance Act 1994, along with interest thereon. The petitioner was also imposed a penalty under the provisions of section 77(1)(c) of the said Act of 1994 and section 78(1) in terms of section 77(1)(c) and section 78(1) of the Finance Act 1994. Full stop. Being agreed, foresaw. The petitioner in the present proceedings has contended that the order in original dated 30/03/2023 was so passed without serving upon the petitioner a show cause notice and or the notices of the hearing held in the matter. So a perusal of the order in original dated 30/3/2023 reveals that a demand cum show cause notice dated 22/10/2021 was issued to the petitioner herein. This court had required the learned standing counsel CGST to place on record materials to demonstrate that the said notice so issued to the petitioner was actually served upon him. However, the said materials have not been brought on record by the respondents till date. So, today, when the matter was taken up for hearing, the learned counsel for the parties have jointly submitted that the order dated 30/3/2023 be interfered with by this court and the matter remanded back to the, he is called the assessing officer. This is, he is the assessing officer, remanded back to the, it will be known as the assessing officer.
The designation of Deputy Commissioner CGST.
The matter be remanded back to the Deputy Commissioner CGST for passing fresh orders after serving upon the petitioner a copy of the show cause notice dated 22/10/2021 and thereafter affording to him a reasonable opportunity to submit his reply thereto and also to make his some oral submissions. Also, in view of the prayer made by the parties to the proceeding, this court proceeds to set aside the order dated 30/3/2023. The order dated 30/3/2023 having been set aside, this court requires the petitioner hearing to appear before the Deputy Commissioner, CGST and Central Excise, Guwahati Division 2 on, give me a date. Whenever, Mr. Mishra, give me a date.
20 August, my lord. 20.
28 on 28/8/2025. On a such appearance, the said authority shall furnish to the petitioner with due acknowledgement, a copy of the show cause notice dated 22/10/2021 along with its enclosures, if any, full stop. On receipt of the said show cause notice, the petitioner within a period of how much time is given normally? Within a period of 15 days thereafter, submit his show cause reply thereto. First up, the Deputy Commissioner thereafter, the Deputy Commissioner GST and Central Excise Division 2 shall Guwahati, Division 2 Guwahati, shall thereafter proceed with the matter in accordance with the procedure prescribed, mandated, and pass a fresh order in original in the matter and transmit the same to the petitioner. With the above observation and directions, the present writ petition stands disposed of.
Much obliged.
Who is appearing for item number? Chaudhary sahab bhui ase je. Item number 29/30. Mr. Das, you have got the records? What is the basis? No, there has to be some basis. They can't just come to a conclusion. There will be some hearing, some material.
Hearing was
What is that?
Yes, one is the office note sheet and the other
At that time also it was E5.
Oh, now it has been.
This is of the state level scrutiny committee.
Yes, Lordship. State level scrutiny committee.
Where is that inquiry report? It's here. Where are the reports? No? Find it out for me. A paper text can idiot sometimes. Paper text. No, it to a paper. Tagmak my. That report was submitted on sometime before 24/6/2019. No comments. Mr. Chaudhary, the report of the state level committee seems to be contrary to the materials that was brought before them. The Gorkha Sammelan never went against the Mr. Podel. What it said was they may be forefathers may be Brahmins, but because of intercaste marriages, their caste got degraded. And today they are all Podels, they are all Chetris, and they are OBCs. The deputy commissioner also supported his case. And then I wanted to know how they have now arrived at these conclusions. Pathetic. Mr. Chaudhary, can you just, we require your guidance here. The materials will be handed over to you because you are basically a neutral party. Mr. Das would give you the materials. Can you just go through it and then apprise this court as to what the exact position? Because I find many missing links here. The file is with you. Just show Mr. Chaudhary also or his junior, and then we'll have it. Then we will proceed with the matter. I find that there is a contradiction here. The conclusions drawn by the SLC are not supported by the materials because the note sheet reveals that the deputy commissioner is all along supporting, and the Gorkha community that I think it's there. if you can just see that certificate given by the Gurkha organization, they have not said against him, subject to correction. Maybe, maybe. Because if you have seen that Gorkha Sammelan certificate, they have just stated a fact how this thing got changed. It may be their perception, but they have not said that he is a Brahmin. Not here. And see, as stated so and so, caste stated of a degraded by intercaste marriage to a lower caste, in which the caste status cannot be changed through marriage. We got it, but that is not the fact here. Something else. That is a saying, maybe Brahmins in some age. But subsequently, because of this marriage, whatever it is, it's maybe their way of perceiving that thing. But he was not a Brahmin. Brahmin. They say Bamun. The voters list says Bamun. There is a word called Bamun included. This may call for an interference. Just, Mr. Das, whatever material you have, just give it to Mr. Chaudhary. Mr. Chaudhary, when it be convenient to you. No. Today we will not trouble you. I'm also having a lot. Any date after from 18th onwards, any date you can choose. Pundinapari. 21. Full stop. Third, the Lanark Council for the parties also perused the records produced by Mr. R.M. Das, Lanark Council for the Lanark Council appearing for the state level scrutiny committee. So the matter would require further examination accordingly, as agreed to by the Lanark Council for the parties, registered to list this matter on 21/8/2025. On the next date of listing, the parties shall be at liberty to make their submissions in the matter, further submissions in the matter. Also, Mr. M.K. Chaudhary, Learned Senior Counsel, appearing for the Oil India Limited as Indian Oil Corporation, assisted by N. Dotto. Miss N. Dotto, MS N. Dotto is present. The originals, Mr. Chaudhary, you need not keep. That copies you can keep. But I'm thinking there is a missing link somewhere. So if there is, ask Mr. Das for that. Because he has the original records. He'll give you the Xerox.
This notification is just they are challenging.
It's all been set aside.
Interfered with us.
Yes, who is appearing?
I'm 41 rocket.
What is there? This notification is already interfered with.
Already
The 2% thing.
2%. This is illegal. Illegal stuff.
My Lord Justice Arun Chaudhary's, Justice Borua's order. Omar Deka. But Omar Deka has again been followed in some other cases also. That is Justice Arun Chaudhary's.
This is the deposit book.
Same. WPC
WBP number
4085.
2080/2024.
That is after this Amar Deka. We'll pass the same order. Heard, Mr.
RL Sutia.
Mr. D. Gogoi. Learned counsel for who appear now, we have up respond number 1 and 2. Huh? Mr. BJ Talukdar. Respond number 1 and 5, he says he's appearing. Chief Secretary.
He's for one. One.
Two and 4. And who is for the GMC? Both. Here the communication under challenge is 2-3. 2-3. Where is the communication from the you are appearing for respondent? You are
41.
41. 41 accept कर देना. बाद दूसरा order में तो problem नहीं.
One, the communication is.
I will pass a common order. Both are involved in construction of what do you call that? Flats, apartments. Right? लिखना दो. Item number 40. None appears for the petitioner on call. Right? 40. None appears for the petitioner on call. However, Mr. BJ Talukdar, learned additional senior, learned senior counsel appearing for the respondent 1 and respondent number 1, 5, and 6. Mr. Heard, Mr. PJ Talukdar, learned senior counsel appearing for respondent number 1, 5, and 6, and Mr. D. Gugoi, learned standing counsel, Forest Department, appearing for the respondents number 3. Respondent number 3. Only one, na? 2 and 3. 2 and 3. Also heard Mr. Respondent number 4. Housing and Urban. Also heard Mr. P. Naik, learned additional Advocate General, Assam, appearing for the respondent number 4. PJ Talukdar 5, 6 भी कर देना 4 है ना 4, 7, 8 and 9 हाँ full stop. उसके बाद ये सेम रहेगा विथ करेक्शन यहाँ पे 6 and 7 है ये 7 and 9 होगा बाकी petitioner herein so and so para 3 में the learned counsel for the यहाँ पे है appearing on behalf of the petitioner submits that the petitioner के बाद हम लिखा है is involved in the construction of a multi-storied commercial building at Barbary, Hengrabari, Guwahati. हाँ खाली देनी चाहिए Barbary, Hengrabari, Guwahati 26 नहीं चाहिए हाँ हम यहाँ पे पैरा लिखिए पैरा 2 मार्क्ड बाकी एकदम एक ही जाएगा ठीक है जहां जहां 6 and 7 है 7 and 9 होगा 6 and 7 का जगह 7 and 9 सेकेंड केस में heard Mr. R. Chutia, learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. D. Gugoi, learned standing counsel, Forest Department, appearing for the respondent number 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3. Full stop. Principal, 1, 2, and 3 also.
Item
41.
Commissioners, second.
2040. 2040, your petition number?
D440.
440.
Good. What is this? Ito ki natin. There is another matter tagged along with this 2040. Same issue. नहीं dispose नहीं है। এই মেইনটোৰ লগত ক'ত গৈছে 3440 1 and 2 D Gugoi. Mr. P. Naik, learned additional advocate general, appears for the respondent number 3, 6 and 7. And Mr. BJ Talukdar, learned senior advocate, appears for the respondent number 5. The petitioner, petitioner petitioners, who are petitioners contemplate two. Para 3 mein, huh? Petition, Learned Counsel for the petitioner submits that the petitioners herein contemplate to construct a multi-story RCC building over the plot of land belonging to the petitioner number 3. The बाकी एक ही होगा and the issue involved is बाकी एकदम last तक same. यहाँ पे 6-7 ही होगा 7-9 नहीं disposed of. এইটো খবৰ লৈ ল'বচোন কি হৈছে এইটো যদি ডিসপোজ হোৱা নাই Yes. Where is Mr. Chaudhary?
Lordship, I have received instruction.
Heard Mr. G. Rangma,
Yes.
Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. B. Chaudhary, Learned Standing Counsel, Finance and Taxation Department. Also, Mr. Chaudhary submits that he has received his instructions in the matter and would file his affidavit on or before 29/8/2025. A registry to list this matter. How long will it take you for you to file a rejoinder thereafter? 1 week? 2 weeks? 2 weeks to list this matter again on 15/9/2025. The petitioner is at liberty to bring on record his rejoinder before the next date of listing.
My humble submission is that the account of the petitioner has been frozen. Even the GST registration is also cancelled, so. When that.
The petitioner prays for an interim direction in the matter. However, considering that the instructions have already been received by Mr. B. Chaudhary, the said prayer be renewed by the petitioner on the next date of listing in the event the affidavit as undertaken to be filed in the matter by the respondents is not so filed.
Obliged.
In this matter relating to acquisition of land, my lord, that what happened, the authority has taken 6 acres of land by way of direct purchasing, giving certain amounts as compensation, including one Assam type house and Zirats, my lord. But problem is that there is a RCC building standing since 89-90, my lord. My lord, that acquired land extend up to the beneath the building, but the authority has not assessed that building, my lord.
Because they have not acquired that land wherein the building is standing.
They are saying so, but that land extends up to the beneath the building, my lord. My lord, I have filed an additional affidavit, my lord, wherein I have annexed photographs, my lord.
Yes, Mr. Chaudhary, you were supposed to complete your instructions in the matter. What has happened? That it extends up to. Get it? If that road extends up to there, how will that building stand? Get your instructions. Heard Mr. M. Saikia, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. B. Chaudhary, Learned Standing Counsel, PWD. Mr. Chaudhary submits that he be granted a further week's time to complete his instructions in the matter. Prayer accepted. A registry to list this matter again on 20 20 তারিখে পারি না বেশি আছে 20 না 22 তারিখ হলো বেশি আছে যদি 22 হ্যাঁ 27/8/2025 on which date Mr. Chaudhary shall apprise this court with regard to the stand taken by the petitioner in his additional affidavit filed on 25/11/2024.
Sir, there's already a order, my lord, directing the PW department to file an affidavit regarding the compensation what has been given.
We'll see, we'll see, we'll see. So what order is there is already there. Mr. Chaudhary, please look into that also.
Oblige, your lordship.
Yes. Yes, Mr. Solia. We wanted your assistance. It was an MSCT accident. A part payment was made, but there is another part around 8 lakhs. Right, madam? This has been now put up to you in the finance department in your fin portal. Nothing is happening. What is happening? Can you get an instruction? He'll give you the details. Mr. S.R. Burwa shall furnish the details of the proposal submitted by the Home and Political Department before the Finance Department in the government portal www.finassam.in pertaining to concurrence with regard to the sanction made for release to the petitioner the dues receivable by her in the matter. A compensation receivable by the interest amount dues receivable by the petitioner in pursuance to the award passed by the jurisdictional tribunal in MACT case number 1673/2019. Mr. Talia on the next date of listing shall apprise this court with regard to the stage at which the processing of the said matter is pending before the Finance Department. Registry to list this matter again on 22/8/2025. Where is the survey report? None appears for the petitioner on call. Mr. N. Goswami submits that the may be granted further 2 weeks as the final chance to file the affidavit incorporating affidavit in terms of the order dated 26/2025 passed by this court in the present proceedings. Mr. Soikia, there is these matters have received attention of this court, coordinate bench. And there is a matter, there is an order passed already that this was interfered with and the matter was remanded back, directing them to take a fish. Why this order will not be?
Earlier, there was no litigation. Judgment says that my lord was passed or not. The speaking order was not passed. The affidavit, this says that certain documents were not proper for which permission could not be granted. Now, my lord, we are ready to provide those documents. Let the authority take a
Same thing.
the authority
Yes.
take a fresh decision.
Hmm?
Notification is, my lord, does not have application in this case, my lord, because that recently they have appointed a nodal officer.
No, one thing. This was done online only.
Yes.
That this was for sale permission. Sale permission is not Bosundora.
The Registration Act does not say anything about that.
Make a challenge to this. Where is that notification with regard to this inter-religion land transfer matters? Where is that notification? Any order passed? He is only the nodal officer. Where is the order preceding this? And the case of the petitioners were not rejected on this count.
Perhaps, my lord,
Sale has not taken place. That episode is over. A new episode has come. So when you start off new, the rules that are there today will have to be followed.
for a rule, my lord.
Be that as it's something which is still existing. If there is no challenge to this, how can I say this should not be followed? Where is the thing preceding this? This is item number.
My lord, there is no question of
We are not concerned with them. Mr. Soike, I can give you one way out. What has happened has happened. Now to go back and get that thing again done would be the same thing, going it afresh. We give you liberty to approach the authorities in the manner prescribed within 15 days, and then they will take a call with regard to your application, say within a period 1 month thereafter, within that month, following all the rules, notifications, whatever is, let them take it and then let it be taken to its logical conclusion.
earlier, my lord.
You forget it, you approach fresh. You submit an application afresh. The government will consider that in terms of the procedure as prevalent today and let the matter be taken to its logical conclusion.
On the application, also taken the mutation fees. Comes after the registration. They have taken the mutation
Okay.
fees also, my lord.
We'll hear you. Heard Mr. Ayat Soikyal on a counsel for the petitioner. Petitioners, ek saath maar dena, 65 to 72. Also heard Ms. N. Bodle, learned. Standing counsel, Revenue Department. Also, hearing remains inconclusive. Registry to list this matter again on 26/8/2025 for further hearing. You give me that decision. I want that decision, man.
PIL, my lord, it was the submit.
Oh,
Judgment of the. Yeah.
stand has been taken. I'll have to incorporate it
Well.
only for that purpose. And Mr. Choikia, when something is under challenge, I can make a comment. If there is no challenge, that is the norm you have to follow.
Obliged, my lord.
26/8, huh?
313.
Arrow. Yes.
Lordship, the instruction that I have received from the district authority is Lordship may
Mr. Esnat, I heard Mr. Esnat, learned counsel for the petitioner, and also Mr. P. Chaudhary, learned counsel for the respondent. Mr. Chaudhary is granted a final chance to file an affidavit on behalf of the respondents, some respondents represented by him. So the said affidavit be filed on or before 18/8/2025, failing which this court would proceed to consider the matter on the basis of the materials already available on record. Registry to list this matter again on 27/8/2025. Yes, who is appearing for the government? Why did we adjourn? Somebody was not here.
Its petitioner was.
A duta matter, Ligdo. Registry to list this matters again on 1/9/2025. Item number 32 में लिख दो.
32.
It is stated in the bar that an affidavit is filed on behalf of the Water Resources Department. However, the same is not tagged available on record. A registry to list this matter again on 19/8/2025 along with the said affidavit filed by the respondent number 3. Mr. That affidavit, although filed, is in defective, so I can't pass that order. We are fixing it on 19th. On that day, we will pass the order. Rectify the defect. But this is the order. And I think we should it's high time that we also took a proactive role in this.
Confusion is there because the relevant file is not.
51 to John Hussaini. Huh? Adjourn. 2 weeks. I asked them 3 times whether they want an adjournment. They said they want an adjournment, so it's gone. Otherwise, we would have caught you today. But can't help it. Aru ki baat hai? Nine? Na, ite to nahi ko. What does it say there?
May I please, Your Lordship. My Lord, regarding item number 59, affidavit
50?
has been filed, but not in record, my Lord.
50?
59,
Huh.
not available in record.
What?
Affidavit filed by the, my Lord, respondent number 1.
Okay.
Maybe taken up in another day, or Your Lordship, I may.
The reason why we didn't have
No, I didn't get you.
filed the affidavit, but service copy, Lordship, so we didn't have the knowledge. While NOC, Lord.
Taken up in another day, my Lord.
Okay. It is submitted by Mr. M. Islam, Learned Counsel for the respondent number 1 and 2 that an affidavit has been filed already on behalf of the said respondents. So, however, it is submitted that, however, the Learned Counsel for the petitioner submits that a copy thereof has not been served on him. Mr. Islam, to ensure service of a copy on the Learned Counsel for the petitioner during the course of the day, a registry to list this matter again on 1/9/2025.
Highly obliged, Your Lordship.
Madiana itu kan itu dulu. Yes, sir. Yeah, timing to what it is. Well, John Gordon is living here. Yes. On the item number 70, on the prayer of Ms. Yudas, Learned Additional Senior Government Advocate, registry to list this matter again on 29/8/2025. In the meanwhile, she will bring on record the affidavit on behalf of the respondents represented by her. Registry to list this matter along with WPC number 5400/2020. 5400/2020 लिख लीजिए, registered to list this matter again on 29 Diluni, along with WPC number. Send the office note dated.
Regarding service on respondent.
Complete.
Complete.
Office note dated 23/7/2025, which reveals that the service upon respond number 7 is complete. So accordingly, registered to list this matters for list this matter for admission hearing after a week on a date to be fixed by it.
First name is serial number 290.
So in your turn, you will get the money now. Shamsher Ali, you have been shortlisted. In the turn, you will get it. If you don't get it within a reasonable and somebody below you has been paid, come back. Miss R.B. Bora, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, has on instruction submitted that the claim made by the petitioner for a release of the contractual dues, receivable by him on examination having been admitted. The name of the petitioner was incorporated in the list so published in pursuance to the decision of this court in the case of Tamsher Ali and others versus State of Assam and others, reported in 2008 bracketed 4 GLT 1. It is submitted that the petitioner would be released his admitted amount, would be released his admitted dues on his turn. Full stop. On a perusal on consideration of the said submission made by Ms. R.B. Bora, this court is of the considered view that the directions passed by this court wide order dated 17/12/2021 in WPC number in WPC number 1283/2022, wide order dated 25/2/2022 stands substantially complied with. Full stop. There being no violation, willful and or deliberate violation of the directions passed by this court, comma, the present contempt petition need not be considered any further, and accordingly the same stands closed. Full stop. A copy of the communication dated 10/4/2025 furnished by Ms. R.B. Bora is kept on record and marked as X.
Lords, doing processing of bills, huge anomaly has.
Order is, what is the date?
It is on 19/6/23.
Processing, we
What you can't do in 2 years, you need not better do it.
do it. Only
And the direction is pay. We can't go beyond this. Pay.
the verified part was should.
Oh, but we can't say. You had this order from 23 with you. If your officers have not understood that,
No, they tried to process, Lordship will kindly,
we don't want. We don't want. When are you paying?
we are filing a review.
We don't know. We don't know. But this is a mandamus, and I can't go beyond this. And this order was there from 23, June 23, and the copy was given to on 22/6/23. What did you do against your executive engineer? Tell me, tell me.
If the processment, then it was found, challan copies are not signed by authorized person.
Okay,
No
fine.
signature of site in charge.
Hmm.
The bills don't carry initials of the executive.
Okay.
And there is no UC certificate.
Okay.
So that acts as a hindrance because we have to get this money from.
This
finance.
matter was pending before this court from 22, writ petition.
My lord.
Order was passed only on 19/6/23.
My lord.
You were very much available.
Hmm.
Why was this aspects not brought to the notice of this
Now
court?
it has come to.
No,
my lord.
cannot
The
be.
processing of these issues, these bills,
Cannot be.
this has come.
Cannot be.
And the person, the executive engineer at that point of time who was holding an office, he was also, my lord, DP is drawn against him. All has culminated into a, my lord, big mess. And this has gone for some kind of investigation also by the DC. The DC Nolbari. We also
And
have to process, my lord.
this order was passed after an order dated 14/12/2022, wherein the PHC authorities were put to notice in the matter.
My lord, I understand.
So can't help it. We are drawing contempt in otherwise.
So it'll give me some time. Otherwise,
Some time.
let's see if lordship sees this. Because it's not that we are sitting.
No, 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 no. We don't. You were given this time on 14/12. You sat over the matter, leading this court to pass this order in June 2023.
Accepted.
Accepted,
But
then
we
pay.
try to process those
Pay,
bills, my
pay.
lords. But bills,
Who is the executive engineer?
now one incumbent has joined, but he has also been transferred. Partha Borua, lordship will see respondent, he has also been transferred out.
Fine, let him go. But we want the engineer who had received this notice. Is he in service still? Have you made him a party here?
Yes, sir.
There's Partha Borua. He has, my lord, he has
23 onwards, he was there.
he has been transferred out.
Fine.
And the chief engineer
Will that absolve him from the?
tried to process. He tried to process these bills. Then these anomalies came because with those anomalies,
Why was this not pointed out to this court within that 6-month period you had? Today we will not accept, and I can't accept also. I can.
understand, my lord, fully. Lordship will, because
I'm giving you time till
1 week
till
or like my lord's 2 weeks.
14th. Do whatever you want.
Look,
I'm listing this matter on 20th. If not done, we are drawing contempt. But it should be an order of stay. Just filing of a review will not do.
That's the review.
Huh? Mr. D. Gogoi, Learned Counsel for the respondent, submits that he be given 10 days time to bring the response on behalf of the contemners on record by way of filing an affidavit. Prayer accepted. Registry to list this matter again on 22/8/2025.
We both have put out, one is retired.
Can't help it. I'll get them here. Have 55 same. 54, 55 same day. দুটা একেলগে মাৰি দিয়া নেকি?
But we have rectified that.
But still 4/5 is not.
Oh, Lord, there is a office note.
It has come back in insufficient address.
We'll have to certain lordship may give us 2 weeks.
Mr. R. Dubey, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, prays that he be granted time till 19/8/2025 to receive the correct, to collect the correct address of the respondent number 4 and 5, and thereafter to take steps upon the said respondents. Prayer accepted. Petitioner to take steps for issuance of notice upon the respondent number 4 and 5 by way of registered post with AD on or before 19/8/2025. In the event the steps are not taken as of 19/8/2025, the registry to list this matter again on 22/8/2025. And even the steps are taken by the petitioner, registry to issue notices upon the respond number 4 and 5 by way of registered post with AD, full stop. Registry then to list this matters again after 4 weeks on a date to be fixed, after 6 weeks on a date to be fixed by it.
Case we cannot ascertain, my lord, then as for paper publication may.
How can I
Your lordship.
presume that today? Like, how can I presume that?
So your lordship.
You have not been done doing this. The Laujima court was passing orders here.
That he is an aged person, the petitioner.
Laujima court passed this order in
Yes,
12/12/2024, and you were very much present
Yes.
there. And if you have not done it, can't help it. You will have to get the order.
Only thing, my lord, because of inconvenience of the petitioner.
Can't help it. That is no way.
Deeply, my lord.
Yes.
This case, my lord, formal notice has never issued. But we are assisting the court. They have filed affidavit also. For quarter of 8 years, my lord, we are processing the payment. Now, my lords, what has happened? A few signatures, mandatory signatures are left. So it has been sent back to the executive engineer. He'll submit, then we'll process. my lord. We have filed affidavit here also.
Mr.
They're taking time since long, my lord.
Okay, argue.
Limited amount.
Argue. You have completed the verification?
Yes, ma'am.
Huh?
Submitted.
Anything to show that you have completed the verification? Yes, Mr. Counsel, argue. Give me something to show that the verification is complete. Yes.
Affidavit filed by them, my lord.
Hmm.
They have stated.
Where is that affidavit? What they have stated?
Two affidavit.
2 affidavits are there. Is an additional affidavit also, yes.
On affidavit. page
Any
16,
statement here that the verification is concluded?
They have specifically stated, my lord, an amount of rupees 4,25,286 is.
You are reading at, Counsel, you are reading at page
At page 16,
Six-
para number 4,
of the affidavit.
affidavit filed by them.
Okay. So this 4 lakhs is admitted by you. We are closing the contempt. The direction is only for verification, not more than that. Done. Enough.
They are not releasing amount.
See, I was allowing them to, I was permitting them to take time only with this view of the matter that you get your money.
My lord, I am agree
Now,
with your lordship.
can't agree. You wanted to argue. I've heard you. I'm dismissing the.
Oh, sorry, my lord.
No. Heard, mister.
I am very sorry, my lord.
So sometimes it's better to keep quiet. It is more helpful. Contempt is between me and he. Now nothing, you have got nothing to do here. I can close this petition because you come to page 12 of your writ petition. The order, second part.
What is it?
They said verification be completed within a period of 3 months from the date of receipt of a certified copy. They have completed it. They have come to an amount. That's the end of the matter. Whenever they want, they'll pay now. Mr. Counsel, where there is no necessity to argue, please don't argue. On the prayer of Mr. D. Gugoi, learned counsel for the petitioner, registry to list this matter again on 22/9/2025, by which date the respondents shall release to the petitioner his admitted views.
Mass of lordship. Sorry, my lord.
Yes, madam, what has happened?
Sir Lordship, what if the main writ petition has proposed Lordship? This contempt was filed against the interim order. for
Interim order.
non-compliance of the interim order.
That is gone now. That is because this matter was taken up on appeal also.
Lordship was sitting in the.
So we'll close it. It is submitted by the learned counsel, Ms. Borwa, learned counsel for the petitioner, that the present writ petition was filed against an interim direction passed by this court wide order dated 10/3/2025 in WPC number 381/2025. Also, it is further submitted that the said writ petition was taken up for final consideration and the same came to be dismissed,
Closes infructuous.
came to be closed as infructuous. Accordingly, she submits that the present contempt petition may not require further consideration. Ms. Udas, learned counsel appearing for the respondents, does not dispute the contentions made by the learned counsel for the petitioner in the matter. So, in view of the above position, this contempt petition stands closed. Notices issued stand recalled. Huh? Yes.
On the last occasion, we were supposed to take. Got the proper address of the steps yesterday. It's
Where is that material that you have taken steps? Okay, what is your name? Mr. G. Das, learned counsel for the appearing for the petitioner, submits that the steps upon the respond number 5, 6, and 7 have been taken at their correct address yesterday. That is yesterday.
yesterday is 5/8/2020.
On 5/8/2025. Wide number.
There is a document.
Okay, 5/8/2025. Also, registry to verify the above statement of the petitioner and take step and proceed in the matter accordingly.
Much obliged.
Both contempt cases I have filed to IA also to include the new respondents, my lord. What happened? Yesterday I have talked with my lord, my client, this petitioner. He has said he has received some amount with protest, my lord.
Be that as it may.
Yes, yes.
How can that be? That is why he has filed a subsequent writ petition. That will hold the field.
Yes, yes.
Mr.
It
Goswami,
can
we
be
don't
closed.
think.
It can be closed. But
Uh,
if your lordship, liberty is given to,
Liberty is already taken. He has already filed a writ petition.
no, it was earlier, so liberty.
That is after the payments were made. Huh? Some Arvat asset. But Mr. R, it contempt that over 624 Aru contempt case number 6 of 2021. Mr. R. Goswami, learned counsel for the petitioner, in the above noted contempt cases, has submitted that during the pendency of the present of the contempt cases, the respondents had released a portion of the dues receivable by the petitioner in the matter. Also, the petitioner had received the said amount under protest. Also, thereafter being aggrieved by the withholding of a substantial portion of his contractual dues, the petitioner has instituted only one case, both the works are involved.
Yes, my lord.
Has instituted WPC number 3313/2024, which is presently pending disposal before this court. Mr. Goswami submits that as the directions passed by this court have been substantially complied with, he would not be pressing the contempt petition any further. However, the dues receivable by the petitioner would be subject to the outcome of WPC number 3313/2024. Full stop. Prayer is not objected to by Mr. J. Chutia, learned counsel appearing for the respondents. Full stop. In view of the above submissions made by Mr. R. Goswami, learned counsel for the petitions, registry to the present contempt petition stands closed. Notices issued stand recalled. WPC 3313-24 given. As agreed to by the learned counsel for the parties, raised to list these matters again after. You have to file an affidavit now. After 3 weeks on a date to be fixed by.
Affidavit, they have failed to file their affidavit since the year 2024, my lord. Lordship,
Okay,
they-
to kata
they-
kata DS kata. Your name?
And Borman.
And heard Mr. N. Borman, learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. J. Chutia, learned counsel, standing counsel, KAAC, appearing for the respondents. Number 3, 5, and 6. Mr. Chutia submits that the affidavit on behalf of the respondents represented by him would invariably be filed on or before
11 September.
before 30th any date. No difficulty.
3rd September, my lord.
On or before 3/9/2025. Also, the petitioner would be at liberty thereafter to file his rejoinder thereto within a period of on or before 15/9/2025. Registry to list this matter again on 17/9/2025. It is provided that in the event the affidavit is not so filed by the respondents number 3, 5, and 6. 5. 3, 5, and 6 before the on or before 3/9/2025, comma. This court on the next date of listing shall consider the matter basing on the materials already brought on record. Further, in the event any further adjournment is sought for and is granted to the respondents, comma, the same shall be along with imposition of costs.
Deeply obliged, madam.
None has appeared for the petition on call. The office note dated 4/8/2025 reveals that no steps have been taken by the petitioner in the matter. This court, while order dated 1/8/2025, had granted further time till today to the petitioners to take steps for service of notice upon the respond number 6. Full stop. With the stipulation that if such steps are not taken, the matter would be considered for dismissal. Full stop. Today, when the matter was called, none else has appeared for the petitioner. Full stop. Miss M. Das, learned counsel, appearing for the corporation department, is present. Full stop. In view of the above position, the present petition stands dismissed for non-prosecution. Good. Itu mai di sini.